Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the interior on Sunburnt, changing it up a little bit. Got the dash pad painted yesterday, got it installed. Um, didn't match most of the interior trim, so I'm pulling it all out. We're going to repaint it. Got that going on, got it sanded and shot. I'll show you some clips of that here in a little bit. So yeah, we're trying to get the interior spiffed up a little bit. Seat still needs to be covered. May just throw a cheap cover on it for now, just to get by for a little while. I'm ready to get started on the suspension. So here's one of the interior panels. We've been scuffing it with a red Scotch Brite. I'm going to get it ready to paint. As you can see, this thing is kind of beat up. I had one ear that was broke off. I just used some 2-part epoxy. Seems to be holding pretty good. We'll try it when we get it in there. These corners are real brittle. Have to be real easy to them. We'll have another broke panel. Kind of knocking the shine off of it. Scuff it up, just paint something to bite to. Just plain old household rubbing alcohol to clean these up before we paint them. I'm going to blow it off with an air hose just to get some of the dust off of it. Don't take a whole lot of rubbing alcohol to clean these up. I'll show you that. Takes quite a bit of the junk off of it. Keep flipping it now. Let that dry out a little bit. We're going to sheet it. So what I used on all this interior pieces on Sunburnt was SEM color coat is 15033 saddle tan. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. that's what I used on the dash, and like I said, the rest of the interior pieces were a little darker than this was. This was really the only thing I could find. I imagine there's probably a better match for the saddle interior, but that's what we went with. And I ended up pulling all the interior pieces out. This is one of the upper pieces that goes above the door. Turned out pretty good. Like I said, I just scuffed them with a red Scotch-Brite, cleaned them up and shot them. Nothing fancy, just kind of getting with it. But yeah, we got all the interior pieces sprayed. We got the dash in. What else have we got? We got the back piece that goes, holds the headliner in. Got it in. I've got the cab corner pieces. One of those is drying now. We got that. We'll get that stuck in, and got to get a seat cover. That's my big holdup right now. I think I'm just gonna go with one of those saddle blanket covers for now. Here's the dash we got installed. Just put a dash pad in it. The center, we just reused what was already in there. It's not greatest shape, but it's not terrible. It's runnable. The gauge bezel, Let's see if we can get a better shot of that. Nope. The gauge bezel is the factory one. We cleaned the gauges up. They were really yellowed. I took some like 2000 grit sandpaper, sanded them down and put a little polish on them. Again, not perfect, but good enough for now. So we've been working on the interior on Sunburnt, and I got these back panels out, and as you can see, this end was cracked. The front panels that goes down to the windshield had one of those that was cracked. I've been using some JB Weld clear weld quick setting epoxy. Just was something I picked up from Tractor Supply or parts store or something. And so I put it back together. We've got the dash painted and put back in. What else have I got? I've got the A-pillar trim painted and put back in. I've got the back panels like I showed you out right now. I've got one drying. As soon as the epoxy dries on this one, I'm going to get it shot and get it back in, hopefully this afternoon. Interior is starting to take shape on this old truck. Still got to get something, a seat cover, and I'm planning right now, the carpet's in pretty good shape, so I believe I'm gonna pull it out, maybe clean it, pressure wash it, and kind of see what we got. Hopefully we can reuse it. If not, we'll go a different route, get some new ordered. It's just mainly dirty. It's not torn or stained really that bad anywhere. So that's the project on the interior. I got to get the door panels off. I'm going to shoot them in the same color. The interior should be pretty much wrapped up. I'm going to have to get a glass guy to put a windshield in because the windshield's cracked. We got a back sliding glass to put in it. It's got one in it, but it's missing the lock mechanism on it. So I found one in a junkyard a month or so ago. Me and Chuck went and picked it up. Gonna put that in. Interior pretty much be done, I'm hoping. So then it's on time to get on to the suspension. But that's what we got going on right now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share it to your friends. Leave us a comment on what you think of this old truck. I'm getting pretty excited about getting a lot of stuff done on it. I'm ready to get it on the road. Hopefully in a couple months we'll have everything done on it and get it to where we can take it to some local shows. I'm planning on taking this truck to C10 Fall Revival this year. That's the big show around this area. So I feel like I'll have it done before then. But you know, anytime you're building these old trucks, you run into stuff and you don't really plan for it. So I know there's going to be some of that, but we'll get it done. Thanks for watching.